Hello, miracle workers! Welcome once again to another special episode of Unlocking Miracles, Janergy's Guide to Life, Love, and Leadership. And for this episode, I have invited a special person, an expert in terms of marketing. So let me introduce him to you. He is the owner of Policarpio Marketing Research Consultancy, owner of Policarpio Worldwide Training and Services. He also owns Pinas Car Wash and Auto Detailing. He has helped more than 100 plus businesses and individuals through consultancy, feasibility studies, digital marketing, marketing research, sales, and social media marketing. A graduate of Bachelor of Marketing and Corporation Communications in San Beda University. 15 years of solid marketing, business development, e-commerce, digital marketing space. He is a fellow BNI member of BNI Titans. Friends, help me welcome in Unlocking Miracles, Rayu Policarpio. Hi,
Yay!
Rayu.
Hi, thank you, Miss Janice. Very nice introduction. How are you? Hi to our viewers.
Ayan. What are you grateful for today, Rayu?
Oh, well, to, this day, it's a sunny day. Hindi siya masyado maulan, hindi masyado mainit, and of course, the gift of life, no? So, this day, I'm just thankful na humihinga tayo, healthy yung family natin, okay yung business natin.
Yes, yan. So I'm very excited na i-share mo sa mga viewers natin what you do, what's your business all about, and also what are some of the miracle stories that you have para ma-bless natin sila. Okay, let's start off with, can you give a short background of what you do? What made you decide to become an entrepreneur? And bakit yan yung napili mong linya of business? Go ahead.
Straight to the ano na talaga, no? Uh, all right. So basically, before I started my entrepreneurial journey, I was in corporate for 9.5 years, Miss Janice. So right after graduating in college, sasabihin ko ba yung taon? Medyo matagal
Huwag
na, no?
na. Pagkabuking na tayo ng edad dito.
Oo, nagpahinga lang ako ng 1 month. And kasi yung household namin, syempre, during that time, I was born and raised by a single mom. So, I knew the hardships of nung pagpapalaki sa amin ng kapatid ko. So, at a very early age, medyo naging mature na tayo. So, after 1 month lang, job hunting, na ako kagad. Nagtrabaho ako sa isang IT company. And I started from the bottom, yung rank and file employee hanggang yung position ko doon was a sales and marketing guy. So siguro nakitaan nila ako ng potensyal na pwedeng ma-develop into a sales officer. So they made me an officer from a coordinator. So alam mo, as a coordinator, natutunan ko lahat, no? So nagpo-photocopy ako ng mga papel, ganun ako nagsimula. Inuutusan ako ng mga managers, ng mga sales, na mag-record ng mga activities. Kahit pagtimpla ng kape, naranasan natin. No? And then they gave me an opportunity to become a sales officer. So I think doon ako nag-bloom. Naging consistent quota achiever ako for 5 years. And then after that, I became a supervisor. And then I became business development manager and then a sales manager. So that was my last position for corporate for I think this was the tail end of 2017. So 10 years ako nag-corporate. So I'm very thankful of my corporate experience sa IT company na yon. But darating ka sa point, Miss Janice, na parang uh, you want to carve your own path. And that's where I started my entrepreneurial journey na parang I want kasi siguro the core of what I want, yung passion ko, I'm in the business of helping people. So I started doing consultancy nung tail end ng 2017, entering 2018. Of course, I have plans of doing IT, e-commerce later on. Pero syempre, when you're starting, puhunan yung pinaka-importante. capital. So, sabi ko, para makabuo ko ng isang malaking capital to have products of my own, I started consultancy muna. So, I started with friends, yung network ko, I was helping them with, kasi marketing graduate naman talaga ako. I was helping them with their marketing, business planning, I do marketing research, and then feasibility study. So that was the core. And then later on, siguro mga 2017, medyo nauuso yung mga Lazada, Shopee eh. So
E-commerce na.
2017, yes, o 2018. Pero medyo ano pa siya, hindi pa siya ganun ka what
Fairly
what
new.
what it is now na it's a giant, 'di ba? Na parang sabi nga nila no araw pag sinabi mo ano ba pinakasikat na mall sa Pilipinas, sabihin nila SM, Robinsons eh. Ngayon
Oo.
Shopee, Lazada na, 'di
Oo,
ba? So
yes.
that's the reality that we are in. So during that time, no, early days to Shopee and Lazada, nauna na tayo mag-penetrate ng mga products natin noon. So we started with
Nice.
selling mga car fresheners and yun nga yung Baguio Balm natin. Um, so nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, lumakas yung e-commerce because everyone was forced to just stay in the house and do
Yes.
business online. So talagang yung mga even the big companies, hindi pa sila masyado nakaka-adjust with the pandemic. Kami nando na. Nasa e-commerce na we knew what to do. We were doing Facebook ads. So doon nag-grow yung company talaga. And I was very fortunate nung COVID during the early part, no? And so from there, nag-grow siya. Nagkaroon ako ng maraming products. I had more clients in consultancy. And medyo nagkaroon ng extra puhunan. Kami ng misis ko, nagkaroon kami ng offshoot business which is a detailing company also. So, dun, medyo that's the journey that I'm currently taking right now.
Ang galing.
Yeah.
And at the same time, you're doing that, you are taking care of your only son, right? Yung
Yes,
first son
I have
born
a
ni oh,
3-year-old,
oh, 'di ba?
born out of love, of course, and pandemic baby. So,
Pandemic
oo,
baby.
2021, it was a hard experience also kasi the conditions in the hospital, 'di ba?
Yes.
Sobrang hirap, oo, and medyo malaki yung gastos nung pandemic. Mm.
Yan. So, kaya ako in-invite actually si Rayo kasi I'm very inspired on his entrepreneur journey. And at the same time yan, meron kaming good news sa inyong lahat na i-reveal namin maya-maya lang. Kaya abangan
Yes.
ninyo.
Yes.
Okay, sige. So, let's move forward to the meat or yung pinaka-highlight ng discussion natin, ng interview natin, which is sharing of your miracle stories. No? Um, mag-share ka sa amin na two miracle stories na kumbaga may impact sa buhay mo. It could be personal or people around you para ma-bless natin yung mga viewers natin.
Wow, alam mo, I keep on thinking, sabi ko, ano kaya yung pwede kong ma-share para ma-inspire yung viewers natin. Siguro the first miracle story for everyone, no, na I hope they can learn a thing or two. Yung first miracle story ko is kasi siguro personal experience. 'Di ba nabanggit ko po sa inyo kanina na I was born and raised by a single mom. So at a
Yes.
very early age, my dad died. I think I was 6 years old during that time. So it was a sudden death. It was an accident, and syempre nagbago yung takbo ng buhay namin kaagad. So I was born and raised sa medyo well-off ang family, but during that time, nagkaroon na ng problema kasi my mom had to take over the business, and syempre hindi naman ganun basta-basta lang. Um, yung nangyari nun, yung hardships namin nun, biro mo 6 years old, nakita ko yun, namatay yung dad ko. Tapos nakita ko nag-struggle yung mom ko sa business, financially, syempre nawalan ng clients, yung ibang mga partners and friends ng dad ko, syempre kinuha yung mga clients namin. And then years pass by, nakikita mo yung struggles ng mommy mo. So nung tinanong ko siya nung medyo may utak na ako, parang um, ang daming tatanong sa kanya, buti kinaya mo. Kasi Nasa parang late 30s pa lang siya nun nung nangyari yun.
Wow,
Oo,
sobrang bata pa.
sinasabi niya sa akin naglalakad siya na parang wala sa sarili minsan. Naging routinary. Tapos meron siyang 6 years old na ako, and then I have a 1 year old sister. So sobrang hirap, 'di ba? As a single mom para pagdaanan 'yon. So I think the first miracle for me was yung mom ko surviving that ordeal,
Yes.
na I also made it to a point na hindi ako naging sakit sa ulo. Kaya growing up, alam mo 'yon, kahit hindi masyado maganda yung grades, basta pumapasa, hindi ako nagre-repeat, alam mo yon. Tapos every
Oo.
time graduation ko, grade school, high school, college, nag-iiyakan kami. Eto na ma, malapit na grade school, tapos na ako. Tapos high school, eto na. As in, ano yun, tinawid niya ako hanggang college. And to be honest with you, my mom, um, pwede niya naman ako ipag-aral sa mga kung ano-anong school. But she still chose a very nice school for me, na ginapang niya ako
Mm.
sa magandang school na mahal ang tuition fee. At the same time yung kapatid ko. Pero yun na nga, nawala yung ibang properties namin. We had to sell this, sell that, no, to survive. And then we had to rent, no, nung early days nung ano namin, na struggle namin. So nakita ko yun. Ah, pero yung pinaka-miracle for me is kinaya niya. And yung faith niya kay God, hindi nawala.
Yes.
So, yung relationship naming tatlo, so naging close kami, me, my sister, and my mom, growing up, para kami magbe-best friends. Ah, yung miracle is, natiis namin lahat yon. Grabe yung journey namin, lalo na yung mom ko, maganda yung business, biglang bagsak, tapos ilang years yon na ganun. Pero dahil sa faith namin, na nakayanan namin. So, nung I had the chance to earn after college, ako naman yung nag-support sa sister ko. So I became a breadwinner. So during that time, she was studying in UST na. So sa college, and syempre hindi rin biro, no? So tayo yung nagpa-tuition, allowance, lahat.
Mm.
Hanggang after a few years, na nakakuha na scholarship yung sister ko. So I think nakita naman
Wow.
ni Lord na yung struggles namin, yung hardships namin. So, nabiyayaan kasi medyo matalino rin yung sister ko. So, nabigyan siya ng, I think, an academic scholarship. Tapos, naging working
She's
student na
working
siya.
na ngayon,
Yes,
yung sister mo.
she is part of Tourism Promotions Board. She's working for the government for the past 5 years or so. So, ayun. And she's giving back also. So, she's the one na helping my mom. Magkasama sila sa bahay ngayon. Yung mom ko, semi-retired. So, siya yung tumutulong din sa business ko. So, I think that's the first miracle. So, surviving that ordeal. So,
Galing.
yes. Siguro second miracle for me, um, etong siguro yung ano, we can say na miracle yung baby. Kasi yung baby ko, my wife has presently ay PCOS eh. So nahihirapan siya
Mm.
manganak. Oo. So when we were talking about it, na parang o sige, try natin ganito. So its second miracle was my son. And syempre nung panahon nga na yun, COVID, 'di ba, Miss Janice? So the
Yes.
uncertainty, psychological impact, emotional,
Mm.
lahat. Pero binayaan kami. Pero it was bittersweet kasi nung COVID, during the early times of COVID, yung business ko paakyat, 'di ba? Nabuntis yung misis ko, pero nawala din yung mother-in-law ko. So, kinuha din siya ng COVID. So, it was a bittersweet experience for us. So, we had to go through that again. Um, yung wife ko, biruin mo, buntis siya, tapos namatay yung mom niya nung
Yeah.
COVID. Sobrang grabe rin yung
Masakit yun.
pinagdaanan namin. Oo. I think the hospital bill halos umabot ng 3.5 million. Oo. So we had to go through that, pero nawala pa rin yung mother-in-law ko. So mahirap, and then siguro parang the pain went away nung nalaman namin nung lumabas na yung anak ko na healthy siya, no? So it was something to move on. Siguro na miracle para kay Lord kasi bagsak na bagsak kami no'n tapos binigyan kami ng parang ray of sunshine
Yeah,
dun sa
source of
anak ko.
joy and
Source of
hope.
joy and hope and sa buong mundo parang siyempre 'pag kahit bagsak yung moral ng buong mundo ng paligid mo, ang daming namamatay araw-araw, 'di ba?
Yes,
Miss Janice tapos nabiyayaan ka ng gano'n para mag-iiba yung ano mo, thinking mo ulit.
perspective.
Oo, mas naging motivated ka. Ah, and then of course yun ngayon yung isa sa mga inspiration natin and second miracle that happened for me. So it's
Wow,
very
beautiful.
life-changing. Oo.
I can actually relate to your two
Mm,
stories, no? Yung first story
mm,
mo about your father.
mm,
You lost your father at the age of 6. Ako naman, my father naman, na-stroke siya. I think nasa college na rin ako noon, second year
mm,
college.
mm,
So parang ang tumayo rin na breadwinner sa family is my mom. Hindi
mm,
naman siya entrepreneur, no? So empleyado
mm,
siya, no? So it was really a struggle then for the family financially because my father had to be in and out of the hospital. Alam mo yun na
yeah.
bypass, mga ganyan, no? So marami talagang
Mm,
gastusin.
mm.
Pero 16 long years din siyang na-survive
Tagal
niya
din,
yung
oo.
ano, at least in-extend ni Lord yung buhay niya for 16 long years.
Mm,
And actually is one of my inspiration
mm,
bakit ako ganito ka ano active sa pagsasalita, speaking because
mm.
he's that, no? So ganun
I
yung
see.
father
Dun mo
ko.
nakuha,
Yes.
oo.
Yes, actually he's the one who
Mm,
encouraged me to become a Toastmaster kasi dati siyang
mm,
Toastmaster din.
nice.
Tapos, yeah, so halos pareho kami ng ugali saka itsura. Ang layo ng itsura ko sa mom ko eh. Mas itsura ko yung kamukha ko yung father ko. Tapos
Mm.
yung sa second story mo naman yung sa ano, how long kayong married ng asawa mo before
Right
kayo
now,
biniyayaan? Mga 2 years
Uh,
kayo nag-wait?
very early on kasi you have to remember Miss Janice nung COVID time parang even though months pa lang kayo magkakilala. Although I think we met during a party noong 2016, 2017. Pero
Ah, okay.
I did not get involved lang with her pa during that
Mas
time
kinasal,
or
anong year kayo kinasal?
2021. No, sorry,
So hindi
2022,
naman pala kayo,
2022.
so hindi naman pala kayo nag-antay na matagal magka-baby.
Hindi kasi yung COVID time parang ano alam mo yung sa usually na sa normal time na 1 month na getting to know ay sorry sa 1 year ha. Sa normal
Oo.
time, sa COVID parang 1 month lang kasi wala kayong ginagawa, 'di ba? Nasa bahay lang.
Yes,
So parang ano,
totally.
oo, ang bilis namin na parang nagkakilala ka agad. So parang yun yung sa COVID parang sobrang sumakit na nga yung kamay namin dahil kaka-text, ano. So parang mas nakilala ko siya. Tsaka walang distractions kasi bawal ka naman mag-work nung especially the 3 months sa lock-in kayo, bawal
Oo.
lumabas. So talagang yun din yung COVID din siguro yung nagpa-realize sa akin. Siguro single pa rin ako ngayon kung kundi dahil sa COVID, 'di ba? So siya rin ganun kasi she was also very busy during that time she has her own business. Oo, so ako naman yung time na yun, yun nga na blooming yung negosyo rin natin. Pero
Mm.
si God kasi works in mysterious ways, 'di ba? So,
Curious
yeah.
ako, Rayo, what made you decide na ito na yung gusto mong mapakasalan? Yan.
I was single for ano I think I can say na I enjoyed my single life. I was single for more than 7, 8 years.
Oo, matagal
Oo, so
din.
matagal. So na-enjoy ko yung single life ko. And it was a personal choice for me not to get engaged in that years kasi I was helping the family. So I
Mm.
had to make sure graduate muna yung sister ko. I had to make sure I will give my mom a beautiful house, which I did naman. I was able to do. Sabi ko, kailangan may sarili akong condo muna, which nagawa ko rin. So sabi ko, parang may checklist ako, Miss Janice. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
bago ako ikasal, kailangan mabigay ko to, okay na sila, something like that. So sabi ko, no okay na, sarili ko naman. Ayun.
Ah,
Ah. So yun na,
And it was the
nagkataon na
right
na COVID
time.
din. Oo, yes.
Oo. I also have some friends na they decided to get married during the
Mm,
COVID times. Kasi
mm.
parang marirealize mo, uy, ang ikli lang pala ng buhay. Parang gawin mo na rin yung
Tama.
mga bagay na gusto mo na gawin, no?
Yeah,
Bakit mo pa i-delay, 'di ba?
yeah.
And I believe it was a good time kasi medyo matipid. Tama?
Oh yeah,
Kasi
oo.
hindi
Doon
mo kailangan
nakatipid kami
mag-invite
doon.
ng maraming guest.
Yes, may reason ka not to invite everyone.
Oo, 'di ba? May
Oo.
reason, 'di ba? Hindi sila
Mm.
mananakit ng masasama ang loob sa iyo kasi
Yes.
COVID nga eh, 'di ba? We're
Ah,
after safety.
yeah. So
Yan.
perfect timing din kasi our wedding, it was very intimate. So, 10 lang
Yes.
kami kasama na yung pare.
Oh, nice. Saan kayo
Ganun, oh.
kinasal? Saan
Ah,
church ba kayo?
sa may bulletin eh. Sa may forgot the name of the church pero
Sa
doon
Manila.
din sa Quezon City.
Quezon
Sa
City.
may Times Street area, diyan sa may bulletin. Oo. Doon din ano bininyagan yung anak ko and yung malapit yung
Mm.
family house ng wife ko doon. So, doon kami tapos the reception was very small then.
Yeah.
Oo, tapos parang mas naging intimate nga siya kasi yung the church capacity noon is I think 300 eh. So biruin mo wala pa kaming 10.
Oh,
Oh, 'di ba?
yeah.
So 'yun. Hopefully sabi namin nag-one nag 1 year old yung anak ko, dun na lang kami nag-invite lahat. Sabi
Oo.
na, "Oh,
Yun na
sorry hindi
yung
kami nakapag-invite kasi
celebration.
COVID." Oo, tapos hopefully in the future we'll just have parang siguro renewal of vows.
Yes, 10
Oo,
years or
yes, 10 years
'di
or
ba?
15 or 20. If
Oo,
time permits,
yes.
'di ba?
Tama.
God's perfect time. Gagawa na lang ka tayo ng gano'n.
Amazing. Yan. So, actually, ito ring interview natin is an early celebration of Father's Day. So, I just want to
Yes.
honor you, Rayu, for being so responsible to your family and to
Thank you.
your son. I
And
know
you too,
you're
Miss
taking care
Janice.
of your husband. Yes?
And you too. Nakikita ko how you take care of your mom na very favorite ko and number one customer natin sa Baguio Balm yan eh.
Yes,
Ah.
yes. Saka, this is a trivia that I recently learned from Rayu na magka-birthday pala kami. Oh, di ba?
Oo nga, 'di ba? Oo.
We're like a brother. You're like a brother to me that I didn't
Yes.
have.
Yes, yes, something
Kasi
like that.
ako yung eldest and I only have a sister. Dalawa lang
Mm,
din kami ng kapatid ko. And siguro tayo ay magkapatid, separated at birth.
mm. Tsaka
Kambal.
tuwang-tuwa ako sa mami mo. Napakabait, pakasipag.
Oo.
Oo, kasama mo lagi. Pati sa
Yes.
organizations, no?
Oo, yes. No? So, syempre, 'di ba, wala na kasi hindi na naman nag-asawa ulit yung mom ko din.
Pareho tayo, yes.
Siyempre,
Oo,
it
yun.
was a
Mm,
decision talaga to really take care of my mom, 'di ba?
mm,
Kasi sino pa mag-aalaga sa kanya, 'di ba? And ang laki
correct.
rin naman ng gratitude ko sa kanya because if
Mm.
not for her, hindi rin siguro ako makapagtapos ng pag-aaral, no? And yun
Totoo,
like
Miss
what you said,
Janice.
'di ba?
Mm.
Tapos naman ako sa magandang school din and
Oo.
she actually supported me in my
Mm.
my dream to become at in TV network. So yung sinakwento
Oo,
mo na nagsisirox
grabe.
ka,
Mm.
nagtitimpla ka ng kape, ginagawa ko rin yun dati.
Oo, 'di ba? So, I think you have to go through that eh, 'no?
Oo, like you
Parang
have to
sa
start
journey
small.
mo.
You have to
Oo,
start from
yes.
the bottom
Yes,
to
yes.
so that when you become successful one day,
Mm.
that's how you will see the people you're working with, 'di ba?
Mm.
Parang hindi mo sila mamatayin kasi alam mo
Oo.
alam mo kung ano yung hirap na
Oo.
tinadaanan din nila ngayon, 'di ba?
Oo. And proud ka doon. Parang badge of honor mo 'yun na pinagdaanan mo 'yun. Kaya 'yun yung pampasarap sa journey, Miss Janice eh. 'Di
Yes.
ba? For me, parang badge of honor ko 'yun. Napagdaanan ko lahat 'yun. 'Di ba? So, thankful ako kay Lord kasi kung hindi nangyari 'yun, parang hindi rin ako naging mature. 'Di ba?
Tama.
Hindi I don't have the conscious to help others also na in need. So, right now I'm paying it forward. Tsaka totoo yung kasabihan dati, balik tayo doon sa mami, na parang, 'di ba, sa probinsya bebenta mo kahit kalabaw mo para mairaos mo lang yung mga anak
Oh,
mo.
yes.
So, pag ganun ganun yung feeling ko eh. Kasi pwede niya naman ako ipag-aral sa kung ano-anong school lang, alam mo 'yon, na ano, pero she still chose the best na that we can ano, parang through the best of our means during that time. So I really appreciate that. Oh.
I think ganun talaga ang unconditional love ng parents na they
Mm.
really have to make some sacrifices, no? Minsan yung
Right.
kakainin na lang nila, di ba, bibigay pa
Oo,
nila
oo.
sa'yo. And I
Oo.
believe because of the good foundation that your parents have taught
Mm.
you, especially your mom, yan na rin yung mapapass on mo sa anak mo.
Hopefully, Miss
Ayan.
Janice.
Nakakatuwa naman kayo. Okay. Sige. I have one final question for you before we proceed dun sa ating much-awaited announcement to everyone. Okay. So, ito yung question, no? So, medyo serious to, pero hindi naman
Wow,
siya brainy
ano kaya 'to?
question. Okay. Hindi rin siya
Ah,
math, ah. Okay.
ay, salamat.
Okay, hindi siya math. Okay.
Ah,
So, ito yung question ko. So, if you were to be reborn again, would you want to have a different life?
mm.
Yan. Pang Miss Universe yung question, di
Oo,
ba?
'di ba? Kita mo 'yon. Alam mo siyempre, I'll not I'll try not to be a hypocrite, 'di ba? Sometimes you're dreaming of, maging magaling kang basketball player or magaling kang
Wow, gusto mo ba
singer.
yun?
Oo, yung mga gano'n eh. Siyempre, yun yung mga inaano natin dati. Parang nagde-daydream ka, 'di ba? O, sikat na actor sa Hollywood, 'di ba?
Yes,
Pero
bakit
siyempre, when you're
hindi?
older, when you're a little bit younger, 'di ba? Parang, uy, sana pinanganak akong ganito, sana pinanganak akong ganyan. Pero ngayon, when you're a little bit older and eto na yung buhay na meron ka, parang ano, thankful ka dun sa carving sa ginawa ni Lord for you. Kasi kahit pinagdaanan ko lahat ng hirap na yon, kami ng pamilya ko, parang nakikita ko na yung light at the end of the tunnel. Of course, my journey is not yet finished, no? In fact, I'm still siguro in the middle of some crossroads in my life right now. Pero parang mas sumarap yung buhay nung nakikita mo na yung mga tanong mo dati na hindi mo masagot sa sarili mo 5 years, 10 years ago, na nasagot mo ngayon.
Hmm,
Yun pala yun. Yun pala yung reason nito, ni ganyan, ba't nangyari yun, ba't nawala yung tao na yun, ba't nawala yung business deal na to for you. Nasagot mo ngayon. Tapos,
yes.
ngayon na may mga questions ako ngayon sa buhay ko, hindi na ako nangangamba. Kasi alam ko later on, I'll also have an answer for that, di ba? So, I'm just trusting and siguro yun yung maganda kasi kahit sa anak ko, sa pamilya ko ngayon, we're practicing yung faith namin kay Lord. 'Di ba? Na parang not naman na just go with the flow. I mean, if you have a problem, deal with it pa rin. Pero alam mong maayos 'yon. Alam mong kapag wala man yan sagot ngayon, magkakaroon din ng sagot yan later on.
Yes. Let go and let God. 'Di ba?
Yes.
Minsan kasi
Perfect.
talagang control freak tayo. Gusto natin,
Ah,
ito, ganyan. But
yes.
eventually, you come to realize pag nag-mature ka na nga na not
Ah,
everything you can control. And
yes. So,
easier or the faster that you surrender. Lord, ko na nga bahala dito. Hindi ko na alam gagawin
yes.
ko dito, 'di ba?
Yes,
Biglang miracles will happen. Magugulat ka na lang talaga. You will be
yeah.
surprised with all the blessings na darating sa'yo.
Yes. So to answer your question, if I'm gonna be reborn, ako pa rin, sarili ko pa rin, no? So I wouldn't change anything na pinagdaanan ko kasi I
Rayo pa rin
believe
ang
na
pipiliin mong pangalan.
Irayo pa rin, oo. So unique. Although hindi
Okay.
ako pumili niya, magulang ko, magulang ko yung pumili. Pero nagustuhan ko naman kasi unique eh.
Oo.
Inaasar lang ako nung bata ako kasi Hadouken. Kasi nung panahon na yun, uso yung
Yung
Street
oo
Fighter.
nga,
Oo. So ako naman
Street
parang,
Fighter.
magaling naman si Ryu nun, yung character. So sabi ko,
Oo,
okay
bida
lang yan.
naman yun.
Oo, bida naman.
Hindi
So,
naman kontrabida.
yeah, oo. So,
Nice.
okay naman, yes. Mm.
Ayan. So, ito na, umabot na tayo sa point na where we'll announce a very special gift to
Yes.
fathers out there. No? Ito po yung ating ano, so I have a book, no? Yung Tatay is My Hero is the book
Mm.
that I published in during the pandemic, no?
Wow.
2021, no?
Ah,
Actually, 2020 ko ginawa yung online interview sa mga fathers in celebration of Father's
mm.
Day. But I published and printed the book 2021, which is
Mm.
the year of Saint Joseph. Ayan,
Oh,
alam mo
okay.
ba yon noong 2021? Tapos 'di ba
Mm.
naging tatay ka noong
Ah,
2021,
oo,
tama ba? Oo, 'di ba?
tama. Oo.
So it was a miracle year. So in fact, nung nalaman ni Rayo that I have a book, and then I said that I'm willing to do a collaboration with him.
Mm.
So yun, so naisip namin to bundle this book with his product, which is, yan, pakita mo.
Baguio Balm. Yan.
Ayan,
So,
Baguio Balm.
oo.
So for
Ah,
those na hindi familiar
yes.
sa Baguio Balm, ano bang benefits niyan?
Okay po. So, sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin ngayon, ang Baguio Balm po, it's a pain relief liniment. So, ito po yung pinapahid nyo pag masakit yung katawan nyo, galing kayo sa trabaho, pag stress kayo, pag nagko-commute kayo, o bago kayo matulog, gusto yung matulog, it has the benefits of eucalyptus and chamomile. So it helps your pain relief go away. And we have a new one. Ito yung ibabundle ko sa book. Napakagandang book mo, Miss Janice, yung lavender namin. Kasi it helps you sleep better. So sa mga
Oh.
nahihirapan matulog, this is perfect for you. And ang kagandahan nito, um, pag ginamit mo to and bumili ka niyan, eh, may discount. Yan na yung promo natin. Oo.
Ewan.
Ito naman, Miss Janice, ang journey naman ng Baguio Balm natin na product para alam lang ng viewers natin. It was pre-pandemic. Ito yung galing ako sa corporate. After ko mag-corporate, nag-iisip akong kung anong product. Eh, nung panahon na yun, stress na stress ka. 'Di
Oh, ang
ba? Nawalan ka ng
galing.
sweldo, lahat. Tapos binigyan ako ng kaibigan ko nung panahon na yun, yung parang Vicks inhaler. Mahilig kasi ako sa ganun eh. So, sabi ko, why not create a product na that can, help you solve your stress, your pain relief, sakit sa katawan. So ito yung napili ko. Kaya it's proudly made in the Philippines. We are FDA approved. And we are everywhere, nationwide and worldwide. But we have a promo
Worldwide.
for you. Yes. Oo.
Wow.
Yan. Through
Nakaka-proud naman
Amazon. We're
talaga.
selling this through Amazon and we have distributors in different countries.
Hey, nakakatuwa. And very exciting kasi nga, this is our way to give a gift to our fathers out there.
Mm-mm.
So if you avail of the book and the balm, it's just only for 99.
Yes, oh,
499.
499. So they will have a
Yan.
savings of 100 pesos. Oo.
100 pesos lang ba? Parang
Parang
150.
more, parang 150 pala. Oo, kasi
Oo.
nag-discount ka sa book, nag-discount din ako sa van. Yes, 'yon.
Oo,
Oo.
yes. Yun yung ating gift sa kanila kasi we
Mm.
wanna bless more people with our book of inspiration, and at the same time, the gift of, ano ba yan? Healing.
Relaxation, healing.
Yan.
Yes,
Healing and
rejuvenation.
relaxation.
Yan.
Rejuvenation. Yan. I love the words. Talaga namang marketing na marketing yung kausap
Thank
ko
you, Miss
ngayon. Di
Janice.
ba?
And we can ship nationwide, ah. So kahit saang sulok po kayo ng Pilipinas, pwede po namin padala yung libro tsaka yung balm sa'yo.
Yes. And it's
Mm.
also an opportunity ko. Halimbawa, feel nyo na gusto nyo mag-order ng mas maraming bulb, okay, go ahead, no? We'll
Mm.
be sharing to you also the link where you can order these products. And
Thank
as
you,
early
Miss
as now,
Janice.
mag-pre-order na kayo kahit hindi pa Father's Day para hindi kayo maubusan. Kasi siguradong mauubusan kayo.
At saka perfect to. Perfect to na pangregalo sa mga tatay, lolo,
Yes,
kaibigan mo. Kasi yung book, it's all about inspirational stories ng mga tatay.
fathers.
And yung balm naman para mag-relax sila habang
Tama.
binabasa nila yung libro. Kung gusto mo bigyan ng parang peace of mind, kahit papaano yung bibigyan mo, perfect gift ito ngayong Father's Day.
Oh, tama. Yan. So, very exciting collaboration with Ryu. So, I hope you will support us. And kung na-bless kayo dito sa episode na to, I'm encouraging you to share this episode. Yan. No? Final words mo para sa mga fathers na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Ano ba yung message mo for them?
Before that, Miss Janice, maraming maraming salamat for giving me a platform to share my story. Miss Janice, maraming salamat. More power to your vlog, your podcast. Para sa lahat ng tatay na nanonood, huwag kayo bibitaw. Minsan mahirap ang buhay. Actually, madalas, no?
Hmm.
Ako siguro ang pinaka nakakatulong lang lagi sa akin is yung faith ko kay Lord. So, Um, of course, also find a mentor. find a mentor that can help you with your problems pag minsan di mo na kaya, or kahit hindi mentor, kahit kaibigan mo lang na kunyari bagsak na bagsak yung mundo mo, kailangan mo lang makausap, kailangan mo lang i-release yun. So, and always think about your kids and your family when you're doing something. Siyempre, ngayon, tayo, iniisip natin, lahat ng ginagawa natin para sa kanila na. Pero sa Father's Day, don't forget about yourself too. Yun ang
Yes.
importante. Yan.
Yan. Importante din sa mga fathers ang self-care and self-love so that you
Yes.
can
Mm,
overflow and give more love to your family.
that's very true.
Okay. Thank you very much, Rayu, for your time and sharing your beautiful story with us.
Thank
I'm
you, Miss
sure na-bless
Janice.
natin yung mga taong nanonood sa atin ngayon. And just an encouragement to all that let's continue to unlock more miracles in our lives and be a blessing to others. See you again in the next episode.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye,
Thank you,
everyone.
Rayu.